It has been 45 years since NASA launched the Explorer-1 spacecraft into the nearby planetary system. Although the spacecraft was originally designed to last only 5 years, it continues to travel through uncharted regions of the universe. Recently, however, Explorer-1 has been sending some strange data back to NASA, leaving many of the agency's top scientists baffled. In this article, we'll explore the unusual signals coming from the Explorer-1 spacecraft. The history of the Explorer program began in August of 1977, when NASA launched Explorer-2 to explore Jupiter and Saturn, before continuing towards Uranus and Neptune. Just days after Explorer-2's launch, its twin spacecraft Explorer-1 was sent off as well. Both spacecraft were nearly identical, weighing about as much as a small car. The key to their mission was timing, as NASA identified a special window in 1977 when the planets were perfectly aligned for an efficient investigation. This alignment allowed the spacecraft to travel from one planet to another with minimal deviation from their trajectories. NASA intentionally created a 16-day gap between the two launches, giving them slightly different paths. By December 1977, just months after launch, Explorer-1 passed by its twin, even though it had been launched later. Explorer-1 quickly became one of NASA's most valuable tools for space exploration. In 1978, it began sending back images of Jupiter when it was about 265 million kilometers away from Earth. A year later, the spacecraft spent over 100 hours capturing nearly 4,000 images of Jupiter, which helped create the first time-lapse of the gas giant's rotation. A month later, Explorer-1 became the first spacecraft to discover Jupiter's rings, along with 2 new moons. Explorer-1's next journey took it towards Saturn. On its way, it had to slightly adjust its path to avoid a collision with one of Saturn's largest moons, Titan. During its flyby of Saturn, the spacecraft discovered 4 new moons and sent several new pictures of the planet back to Earth. After this, NASA decided to end the primary mission of Explorer-1, while Explorer-2 continued on its journey toward Uranus and Neptune, becoming the first spacecraft to reach those ice giants. Explorer-1's interstellar mission officially began in 1990, when it was about 6 billion kilometers from the Sun. At this point, the spacecraft sent back remarkable images of various planets, including the first family photo of the solar system. By this time, Explorer-1 had captured 67,000 images, marking the end of NASA's interest in the spacecraft's cameras. To conserve energy, NASA shut off the spacecraft's cameras. In 1998, at a distance of 10.3 billion kilometers from the Sun, Explorer-1 passed by NASA's Trailblazer 10 spacecraft, which had held the record for the farthest man-made object from Earth since its launch in 1972. Explorer-1 quickly overtook this record and continued to widen its lead as it ventured deeper into interstellar space. Although its cameras were no longer operational, NASA continued to communicate with the spacecraft using various other instruments. Explorer-1 officially left the solar system and entered interstellar space in 2012. NASA didn't announce the achievement until 2013, but by this time, the spacecraft was traveling at a speed of 61.7 kilometers per second, moving farther from the Sun. Explorer-2 wouldn't leave the solar system until 2018, and by that year, Explorer-1 was about 14.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. It continued to send data back to NASA, providing valuable insights into the space beyond our solar system. However, recently Explorer-1 has started sending strange signals back to NASA. Many of these signals are difficult to interpret, and it appears the spacecraft may be uncertain about its exact location. Despite these odd signals, the spacecraft is still able to send emergency alerts if it becomes derailed. However, NASA hasn't received any such alerts yet. Furthermore, Explorer-1's antenna is still functioning well, and it continues to communicate with Earth. But now, NASA is unsure about the accuracy of the data being transmitted. Explorer-1 is equipped with a gold-plated record containing special sounds and images in the event it encounters extraterrestrial life. The disc includes over 35 sounds from Earth, pictures of daily life, over an hour of Western classical music, and greetings from various past U.S. presidents, all translated into 55 different languages. As of 2022, NASA has dismissed theories suggesting that the spacecraft may be influenced by extraterrestrial beings. Despite the oddities in the signals, Explorer 1's antenna continues to point toward Earth, which makes the garbled messages even more puzzling. The spacecraft has never sent these kinds of messages before, even under similar conditions. So why is it transmitting these strange signals now, when it's so far from Earth? NASA's mission supervisor for the Explorer program believes this is actually normal for a spacecraft as old as Explorer 1. Having been in space for over 45 years, the spacecraft is now at a record distance of 23.6 billion kilometers, or approximately 157.5 astronomical units, from the Sun. As the spacecraft moves farther away, the communication becomes weaker, making it harder to receive clear data. Moreover, there is no way to repair Explorer 1 if something goes wrong. NASA doesn't have the capability to send a spacecraft to that exact location to conduct a rescue mission. This makes any sort of repairs or troubleshooting impossible. Additionally, two-way communication with a spacecraft has become much slower. It now takes about 21 hours for a message to travel from NASA's communication station to the spacecraft. As a result, the risk of errors or mishaps has increased, and NASA may not be able to respond quickly in an emergency. Despite these challenges, NASA remains hopeful that it will continue to receive valuable data from Explorer 1 as it travels further into interstellar space. The spacecraft's sheer distance from Earth makes any communication difficult, but it's still crucial for NASA to gather as much information as possible. For now, Explorer 1 is helping NASA test the limits of its spacecraft technology, providing vital data on the frontier of space exploration. Explorer 1 is a crucial part of future space missions, representing the enduring spirit of exploration. However, there will come a time when the spacecraft will no longer be able to communicate with Earth, and as time goes on, the likelihood of an unexpected malfunction bringing the mission to an end increases. Despite these challenges, Explorer 1 has far outlasted expectations, continuing its solitary journey through the depths of interstellar space. It stands not only as a testament to human ingenuity and exploration but also as a valuable scientific instrument that constantly challenges our understanding of the universe. Launched over 40 years ago, Explorer 1 was built with technology far less advanced than today's, yet it has withstood the harsh conditions of space, enduring intense radiation, extreme temperatures, and the vast emptiness beyond our solar system. Its robust design and reliable systems have allowed it to surpass its original mission goals, continuing to send data back to Earth even at a distance of over 23 billion kilometers. The scientific discoveries made by Explorer 1 have been remarkable, from detailed images of Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere to the discovery of complex ring structures around Saturn. The spacecraft has significantly expanded our understanding of the outer planets and their moons, sparking scientific curiosity and inspiring future generations of space explorers. One of its most notable achievements was its entry into interstellar space, marking the first time a human-made object had ventured beyond the influence of our Sun. This milestone, confirmed by NASA in 2013, ushered in a new era of exploration, extending our reach beyond the confines of our solar system. Explorer 1 continues to send back data from this distant region, providing insights into the conditions and environment of interstellar space. Though its instruments are aging, they remain functional, gathering data on magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and plasma densities in the interstellar medium. Each transmission contributes valuable information that helps scientists refine their models of how stars and planetary systems interact over vast distances. However, recent developments have raised intriguing questions about Explorer 1's condition and the nature of the signals it is transmitting back to Earth. NASA scientists have noted irregularities in the data, including unexpected fluctuations in signal strength and intermittent bursts of inexplicable noise. These anomalies have sparked debates within the scientific community, with theories ranging from cosmic interference to potential breakdowns in Explorer 1's aging systems. One of the most perplexing mysteries involves the spacecraft's navigation capabilities. Despite being equipped with a sturdy communications antenna, the spacecraft has shown occasional uncertainty in its positioning and trajectory. This has led to inconsistent patterns, where its signals fail to align perfectly with predicted paths, creating challenges for mission planners and researchers attempting to interpret the data. NASA's Deep Space Network, responsible for communicating with Explorer 1 and other deep space missions, continues to monitor and analyze every transmission. Efforts are underway to identify the causes of these irregularities, ensuring that Explorer 1's operational lifespan can be extended to its fullest potential. Beyond its scientific contributions, Explorer 1 carries a symbolic payload, a golden record meticulously crafted to convey the diversity and essence of life on Earth to any extraterrestrial intelligence that might encounter it. The record contains a carefully selected collection of sounds, images, and greetings from Earth's cultures, offering a snapshot of humanity's collective achievements and aspirations. This signal represents the spirit of curiosity and optimism that drives space exploration, symbolizing humanity's desire to reach out to other civilizations. While the likelihood of Explorer 1 encountering intelligent life remains infinitesimally small, the record serves as a testament to humanity's capacity for wonder and discovery. As Explorer 1 ventures deeper into interstellar space, its transmissions become increasingly difficult to detect and decode. The immense distances involved mean that signals now take over 21 hours to reach Earth, making real-time communication impossible. Researchers must patiently wait for each data packet, piecing together a comprehensive picture of the spacecraft's environment and performance. Despite the inherent challenges, NASA remains committed to supporting Explorer 1's mission for as long as its systems allow. The data returned continues to yield new discoveries, offering insights into the boundary regions between our solar system and the broader universe. This ongoing exploration provides invaluable information about the fundamental processes shaping our vast cosmos. Looking ahead, Explorer 1's legacy extends beyond its immediate scientific achievements. It serves as a testament to the enduring spirit of exploration that defines humanity's pursuit of knowledge. The spacecraft's journey exemplifies our relentless quest to understand the universe and our unshakable curiosity about the unknown. Additionally, Explorer 1's resilience highlights the importance of long-term planning and innovation in space exploration. The lessons learned from its design, construction, and operational longevity will inform future missions, ensuring that each new spacecraft builds on the wealth of knowledge and experience accumulated over decades of exploration. In the years since its launch, Explorer 1 has become a cultural symbol and an emblem of human achievement. Its story resonates with people worldwide, inspiring awe and wonder at the vastness of space and our place within it. The images and data returned by Explorer 1 have sparked countless imaginations and fueled scientific inquiry, underscoring the profound impact of space exploration on our understanding of the universe. As we celebrate Explorer 1's accomplishments and reflect on its future, we are reminded of the boundless potential that lies beyond our earthly horizons. The spacecraft's journey continues to inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and visionaries to push the limits of what is possible and explore new frontiers of knowledge. In conclusion, Explorer 1 stands as a monument to human creativity, perseverance, and the unyielding quest for discovery. Its ongoing mission embodies the spirit of exploration that drives us to reach beyond our grasp and explore the unknown. As it continues its journey through interstellar space, Explorer 1 remains a beacon of our collective curiosity and a symbol of humanity's mission to unravel the mysteries of the universe.